Hello everybody and welcome back to the Chateau. I should be going down the workshop very shortly and sorting out my trailer. But first, I've got to go to Billy's because he's got a wood chipper he can lend me. That seems much easier, much better an idea and much easier than spending a lot of time trying to fix mine up just for the job. It's against my rules this year. It's going to be fixed perfectly or not at all. And it means I can get this garden clear really, really quickly as soon as I've got a trailer. So, I'll go to Billy's first, and then get on with some stuff here. Okay, this is the... It's better than mine, isn't it?
It's the same colour.
Yeah, not really. Mine's more rust coloured.
I bought this when we first got the keys for the convent, and I used it in the courtyard, and then I didn't use it for like 6 months, and then I put it in the garden. I managed to get it through the hallway, and then it sat in there for another 6 months, and then I didn't use it in there either. And I really want it to be used, because something like this, if you leave it sitting around, it's gonna break, isn't it?
Yeah, like all my stuff. That's.
You sent me photos of what you're up to at the moment, so I said, Phil, you must use this. And like you said, there's no point you fixing yours just to do one job. You want to do it properly, don't you?
Yeah, I want to do it properly, paint it all up and make it good. And I won't manage that just to get this job done, or I won't get the job done and I'll have a wood chipper, so.
Exactly. So you can do that in your own time. In the meantime, I might as well use this.
Super duper.
Here. Turn it on.
All right. Yeah. See, I'm not just filming this for content, I'm filming this so I can actually look back and remember.
The revs here, you want it sort of quite low, otherwise it won't start.
Okay.
Hasn't been starting for a while. It will go though, it will go. Maybe less revs. Here we go, here we go. This is why it needs using. It's never good on camera, is it? It never starts the first time. No, leave it recording, it will start. Here we go, 3rd time's a charm. Fifth time's a charm. We're not faking this for the camera, everyone. It literally won't start. It will run, it will run. If not, we'll have to jump start it. You got a battery pack, haven't you?
It's not in the car.
Oh no. One more try.
Alright.
If not, we're going to get the easy start. Okay, one more try. At least the sun's come out. It really wants to go, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe the battery's a bit tired.
It needs a bit of use, doesn't it?
Yeah, it needs a bit of use.
Alright.
Yeah. So it's a bit of running.
Yeah. And there's 1, 2 and 3 of whether it's dry, wet or...
Dry, green and something else.
Yeah.
Yeah, it also tells you the RPMs if it's happy and that.
Yeah.
Intermittently, the conveyor stops sometimes. I think it might be a safety feature. It doesn't just keep rolling and rolling for no reason. And that's just forward, that's reverse, emergency stop.
And
this is so you don't...
get dragged in.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. A great way to get rid of somebody.
I've got a moat.
All right, fair enough. We've got a pig. What we need to do, Phil, is
retrieve
back it up your motor.
Yeah. All right.
We'll get it on.
I'll get a car.
Yeah. Stop! Stop! Ooh! Bang on! There we go. Good job, Phil. He's got a reversing camera.
Right, all hooked on. Thank you for that.
No problem, mate. Look after it. I've got a trailer as well if you want to borrow it.
Yeah, I was just thinking, actually, to be honest with that, if I borrow that, because that means I can just really quickly get rid of that stuff. Yeah. I'll come up and get it tomorrow.
Okay.
I can get rid of all that stuff quickly, which means I don't have to worry about trying to. I'll lose a day doing my trailer.
Use it. It's fantastic for flower beds, around the base of trees. It keeps the moisture in, things like that.
Yeah, I've got an idea for that, but I'm going to leave that one and to see if I can do it.
Well, good luck, mate.
Yeah.
If you need a hand, give us a shout.
Yeah, all right, mate.
Thanks a lot. See you later.
See you in a bit. Billy's trailer's here. The wood chipper's here. Not really much more to say, other than it's time. Let's get this stuff sorted. Right. Not doing too badly, are we? I've had to take a break, it's hot. But doing all right. Doing all right. That has put quite a lot of wood into quite a small space, and I've got something to do with all of that, so I'm quite happy. Quick water break. And obviously I found my little table. Very upsetting, that got ruined by a tree because I'd only just repainted it. Getting somewhere, and of course it's this bit and a small pile on the other side of those bushes, and this. Getting somewhere. Alright, let's carry on. Alrighty. Getting somewhere because I can actually see through. Oh. However, there's still probably an entire day to go, let alone the splitting and more chopping, and let alone, of course, over there where Chris and Colin were yesterday. However, that's a serious amount gone because you couldn't even see through this section. All of that was piled up. You couldn't walk through. I mean, I could technically walk through here where there was a tree. Oh, let's just see how good. Oh, we've still got space in the trailer. Yeah. Yeah, so you've still got a little bit of space. I mean, that's a lot of wood that's now gone into that small pile. It really is. That's really quite good. Now, that is as much as I can get done today, mainly because of the time of the evening and, you know, neighbours. However, and of course it's the open mic, it's the music night at the bar, and I definitely need to get changed. But it's looking good. We are getting somewhere. I definitely need a shower, as I have sawdust in places that it really shouldn't be. But I'm very, 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 very happy at this progress. This is getting somewhere. I think tomorrow, if the weather stays the same, I should not only be able to get this lot done, I should be able to put all of the chippings in a place which will then tidy up another part. Like I said, this is the part where it all comes together. It's just all looked like it wasn't going to begin with. There is a cunning plan. Let's hope we can stick at it and get that done. Now, what do you think? It's looking better, isn't it? Almost there, and with a little luck, we'll be able to get the grass growing back in those areas before the party as well. So, I'm going to go have a shower, put this video together, get changed, go to the open mic in the bar, and I will get on this again, and another section on the moat tomorrow. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye now.